Hi and welcome to the review shows. Today on the review shows we're going to be reviewing the Sweet Shack Donuts in Minutes Maker. So this should make delicious donuts every time. So we've made up our donut mix. We're going to open this up and have a look at the instructions. See what we got in here. There's our instructions. There is our donut maker. Very similar to the cupcake maker, which is on another review. So we'll put all the packaging in there. Four little cute donuts to be made in there. So we'll have a look at the instructions and we'll get back to you in 5 minutes. Okay, we've read the instructions, pretty similar to the cupcake maker, 2 or 3 minutes. So we're going to lightly oil the areas. A little bit of oil. We've cleaned these out, we give them a wipe out. So it's just a bit of oil to start. And then we have our donut mixture, which we've chilled overnight in the fridge. So it's a bit hard. So we've got to get this into our slots. Make sure you've got clean hands. It says 2 to 3 minutes on these. Try and get a bit lower because they will expand. We've got a bit much on some of these. Get in there. Bit much in this one, I think. This dough does seem a bit like plasticine there. So we shall shut that up, wipe off our hands, and plug this in for 2 or 3 minutes and see what we get. Should get an indicator light when we plug this in. And there it is, there's our light. So we shall leave this for about 2 to 3 minutes. We left it a bit longer for the cupcakes and they were better, so I'll give it about 3 minutes and then we'll come back to you. See you in a minute. Okay, we're just coming up to about 3 minutes now, so we're going to open it up and have a look. Okay, I'm not sure if they look cooked a minute. These sort of donut-y shapes. We'll give it another minute. See how they go. The light's gone off. So that should still be cooking. Oh, lovely smell. Oh, there's the light. So it's giving a bit of smoke off as it cooks. And lovely smells. Move that a bit closer to there so you can see when we open up what they look like. See some smoke wafting off it there. We'll give it a few more seconds and then we'll see what they look like. We've got some caster sugar here to dip them in. Your donut mixture, not quite sure how good that was, but okay, let's have a look at this now. Turn off the power. And there we are. starting to go a bit browner now. So let's chuck them in the sugar. Give them that more of a donutty look. These by hand actually. Being careful because they're hot. So's the plates. And there we have our donut maker and our 4 little donuts it's made. Now they're not bad. That was about 3.5, 4 minutes. So let's try one of these donuts and see what they're like. Hot. That's quite nice actually. Cooked right through. So there we have it. That is the Sweet Shack Donuts in Minutes. Delicious donuts every time. Includes main operated donut maker and instruction manual. Enjoy easy to make donuts with this non-stick maker. Mix up your homemade donut mixture and pour into the plates. It's simple and easy to use, making perfect delicious donuts every time, from sweet to savoury. Enjoy exploring different toppings. We put sugar on ours, but I gotta be honest, they're quite nice. Delicious donuts every time. So there we have it, the Sweet Shack Donuts in Minutes. If you like this review show, please subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified of any other videos coming up. And I'll see you on the next review show. Thank you for watching, and bye.